The Journal on the business and finance page here. Dividend stocks back in fashion amid turbulence. Boring companies have been hot during the stock market's winter swoon. Do you think that lasts?
I think it depends. If the dividend company can sustain growth in a challenging macro environment, then yes. Companies that can return cash to shareholders, like a Microsoft returning $10 billion in the quarter, are showing strength, are showing that we have the pricing power, that we have the sustainable demand to last through any lightness in consumer spending, to last through any inflationary environment, to last through any interest rate hikes. So I think it really depends on the company, but I think it is a signal of strength.
Kevin, you want to take both of those issues on?
Well, I mean, I think that, as far as, dividend companies are concerned, I think that people are looking for income. And so that is why you've seen people gravitate to, the dividend companies in this swoon. I think that, you're going to continue to see rates climb. And so, this is going to be something that is going to be on the forefront for the foreseeable future. I think that, yields are going to continue to rise. We're going to get close to our 2% target real quick here on the 10-year. And so I believe that you're going to continue to have folks searching for income in other places. And that's what you guys
are talking about income. I'm wondering whether there's money to be made here, whether prices on some of the growth stocks are we at a point where they're too low? Does anybody look at a Facebook now and say, you know what, actually, this thing's actually like on sale? Is it, Greg?
Well, there have been some growth stocks out there that have fallen, and we continue to look at the mega caps because we believe that they have the ability to continue to grow their earnings over time. They may have swooned here, but we look at this as an opportunity. We have been actually going in and buying some of the larger tech names in software and services because we think that this is an opportunity. And we like those pullbacks in the market to be able to put them in our portfolios.
Final word to Greg.
Yeah, I agree largely with Kevin. When you look at the context, a lot of these large cap growth names have lost their multiple expansion they experienced throughout the pandemic. Many of them trading like Microsoft and Google at 30 times, which is what we saw in January of 2020. I do think this will be an opportunity. When it turns, it will sink all boats and you'll have an opportunity to go in and buy things on sale. I don't know if we're right there right now, Andrew, but I am keeping an eye out and will opportunistically add as well for those companies that can grow through this.